special guest. Okay? Sabay-sabay po tayong bibilang ng 1 to 5 para po lumabas ang ating special guest. Take note po, wala pong lalapit kay Jollibee. Gusto ko po lahat ng bata nakaupo lang. Wala pong lalapit kasi pwede po kayong matamaan kasi hindi nakita ni Jollibee. Okay? Sabay-sabay po tayo magbibilang ng 1 to 5 para lumabas na siya. Okay, let's start! 5! 4! 3! 2! 1! Okay! Let's welcome Jollibee! Pero na-stock out? Jollibee, hello, hello? Jollibee? Ayun! Hi, Jollibee! Hi! Say hi, Jollibee! Hi! Okay? Okay, best friend Jollibee? Okay, hindi siya takot. Very good. Best friend Jollibee! Best friend Jollibee, hanapin mo ang ating birthday celebrant. Naka-violet siya. Medyo, hindi siya baby kasi eh. Ayun! Yay! Hindi nyo talaga pinili kasi love ka niya. Okay? Nakita mo ng ating birthday celebrant? Okay? Excited na ba kayo makita ang gagawin ni best friend Jollibee? Okay, excited na ba? Okay, isang bonggang palakpakan po muna para masaya siya. Palagay natin. Okay, Jollibee, pwesto. Okay, Jollibee. Okay, sabi ni Jollibee, isang palakas na palakpakan po. Yay! Okay? Okay? Ladies and gentlemen, our best friend. Okay, our best friend Jollibee. Okay mo naman ito mga chairs, ha?
I have witnessed their capacity for courage. And though we are worlds apart, like us, there's more to them than meets the eye.
Break silence. Roll back. Please.
Video.
Okay, Kuya Angie, nasa na?